Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Five Nights at Freddy's in Roblox. First, launch the Roblox platform on your computer or mobile device. Once there, navigate to the search bar, typically found at the top of the screen. Type in Five Nights at Freddy's or the abbreviation FNAF to discover a wide array of fan-created games. Focus on experiences with many positive reviews and active players for the best experience. Once you've chosen a game, understanding the core mechanics is crucial for survival. Your primary role is often a night guard, monitoring security cameras to track the animatronics. Pay close attention to your power supply, as it is finite. Using doors and lights drains power quickly, so conserve it wisely. Listening for distinct audio cues, like footsteps or static, will alert you to nearby threats. To survive Five Nights, developing effective strategies is key. Each animatronic typically has distinct movement patterns and behaviors you must learn. For example, some might only move when you are not looking, while others are attracted to light. Prioritize your power usage, saving it for critical moments like closing doors when an animatronic is directly outside. Quick reactions to both sound and visual cues are essential for staying alive. For new players, I recommend starting with less intense fan-made games to get accustomed to the controls and atmosphere. Many online videos offer valuable insights into advanced tactics and animatronic-specific strategies. Playing with friends can also enhance the experience, making it less daunting and more fun. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon you will be a master of surviving the night.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.